it's a little nice little snack, healthy, whole food, plant-based snack for the afternoon. Okay, so what do we got here? What is it, sweetie?
Oh, geez. It's called chickpea sandwich spread.
Chickpea sandwich spread. And then you put some onions. Onions are good for your gut. So you put some onions. Okay, and then some tomatoes. Oh, the bread is really great. What is it, sweetie? It's sourdough.
Sourdough. I like the rustic potato sourdough bread.
What's it called? Sourdough?
Sourdough bread. Yeah.
Sourdough rustic potato, you said, or something?
Yeah.
Sourdough rustic potato.
City Market has it. No oil.
City Market, no oil. Little S&P. Okay.
And I think that this.
It's okay to put a little salt on if you just buy stuff with no salt.
Just a little
Okay, there we
sprinkle
go.
on top.
It's delicious.
Wait,
Here
wait.
it goes. What?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, here it
Sorry.
goes right here to the plate.
On the plate.
There it is.
And then this recipe, I think, forks over knives. You can get it.
Forks over knives.
Forks over knives.
Okay.
I pretty much do it. Yeah, it's got chickpeas, spicy pumpkin seeds, onions, celery, some spices. What else is in there? A little bit of tahini. Well, anyways, I can't remember all the ingredients, but forks over knives. Look it up. Chickpea sandwich bread.
It's about a glass of oat milk.
Pretty yummy.
3 ingredients.
Good one.
It's the best. Thanks, sweetie.